Okay, so what is the problem we're having with this new AFCI breaker?
It keeps tripping.
And it's powering what?
Microwave
All right.
in the kitchen upstairs.
All right. Here's the screws. We don't lose them. Okay, here's the cover. Another screw. So we're going to turn off the one we're having problems with here. And we'll remove it from our box here. So we'll take our black wire off here and our white wire off. And we'll follow our pigtail up to the neutral bar where it goes. Okay, I see where it is. So we will go in here. We'll loosen that screw. And we'll just work it out. There we go. So we took out the defective AFCI breaker that keeps tripping. And this is our neutral wire.
Just set.
So we'll stick this back into our neutral bar where we took our tail from.
All right.
So we'll strip it a little longer here. How do you like my hat?
Me?
Yes, this.
Oh, nice. That's your famous saying, born in the USA.
Yep. Okay, so we'll put our white wire back over here into our neutral bar. So we'll get it in. Okay, so I missed the hole, so I gotta curve it a little bit. I found the screw that we opened, so we'll loosen it up some more here. I want to make sure I'm in the right hole here. Yeah, I got the wire through our hole. Tighten it up. I love flathead screwdrivers.
No, you don't.
Okay. I'm just gonna make sure my other screws are tight here next to it. Okay, so now we have our neutral hooked back up to our neutral bar. We'll just fold our wire back down in here. And now we'll take our standard 20 amp circuit breaker and we'll put it in. So you put your wire in the terminal there and you just tighten it. So we take it, we'll put it in our terminal here, and we'll just make sure we don't get our insulation under the pressure plate there. Make sure it's nice and tight. And look, our insulation is not pinched and we're in the slot all the way. Our breaker is off. Now we'll set it into our box. Put it in and we'll turn it back on. Now we'll set our other wires back in. Okay, so we're going to just make sure our cover screws don't hit any wires when we put our cover back on. So I'm ready to put our cover back on. Okay, the top two screws. Phillips screwdriver. Do you know where the Phillips is?
It's in your pocket.
No, it isn't. I think this one is on the other side. See, where's the other screw? This one on the bottom. Well, it's not all lined up properly.
Is it?
Nope, see how it's not lined up with the breakers?
Get your flathead screwdriver.
So I'll just loosen this up a little bit. Okay, hold this.
Use your other screwdriver, Dave.
Oh, the.
And just push them over.
No, it's just the cover screwing. I'll have to push it over with the flathead. Okay.
There you go. Now set it. There you go.
There it goes. Okay. So These are there, that one goes in. Okay, now we're lined up better. Okay. And now it's just going to hop like a bunny rabbit.
What's that noise?
This is the cover door. So we are all set. Peace. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, so that is how to remove a defective AFCI, GFCI breaker that keeps tripping and putting in a standard circuit breaker. Here in the country I was born in, we use 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps, 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps. Black is live, white is neutral, the bare, the green is the ground. Red and blue are also live colors. However, you may find white live in a 110, 120 volt switch loop or on a 220, 240 volt appliance where the appliance does not require a neutral. Peace. Thanks for watching.